Good morning or magandang umaga. It's Tuesday morning or umaga ng Martes. And let's learn our 4 Tagalog words. So, let's learn how to say soap, shampoo, towel, and face towel. Let's start with soap. Soap in Tagalog is sabon. Sabon. And shampoo, since there's no direct Tagalog word or translation for it, we also use the word shampoo. Shampoo is shampoo. And towel is tuwalya. Tuwalya. And face towel is bimpo. Bimpo. So, let's review our 4 words for today. Soap is sabon. Sabon. Next, shampoo is also called shampoo. But sometimes you will see it spelled as S-Y-A-M-P-O or P-U. But it is still pronounced the same as shampoo. Our next word is towel or tuwalya. Tu-wal-ya. Tuwalya. Tuwalya. Our last word, face towel or bimpo. 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 So we have sabon, shampoo, towel, tuwalya, and bimpo or face towel. That's it. Bye-bye.